Yeah.
All right, so today I am here on behalf of FBS Tapes, who have been, just a dynamic resource for the tape industry in the last decade plus. These guys have got it all going on for every possible application you can imagine as an artist, a painter, a lot of different applications. The tapes suit many different needs. So today, I'm going to talk about something that these guys are the first. And, this is a game changer. So typically we would find those of us who use the plotter to mask, we'd use like an Avery paint mask, or we'd use the FBS yellow tape or the FBS blue tape. And this is obviously pretty opaque. So if I'm going into this design, this is like a Mick Mars tribute guitar here. If I was to go into this design now that I have the background shaded and the shadowing and all that stuff, and trying to re-register this would be quite difficult. And the fact that these guys had the vision to come up with a material that's somewhat translucent, you can see right through it, and with the combination of clear transfer tape, I should be able to make this remasking that much easier. So FBS online, FBS-online.com is where you'll find them, where you'll be able to order this. And I don't know if this is quite out in the public yet, but it's been around to a few of us who instruct to use it and get the hang with it. Now it cuts rather easy. It is very stretchy. It's got a lot of durability. Its elasticity, I'd say that it doesn't necessarily go back to its natural resting state as it's been stretched. It will kind of remain somewhat stretched. So that's good in some things, like for example, lately I've been doing a lot of guns for Phoenix weaponry. This is the material I'm going to start using on all the guns because it will go into the crevices of the gun and the machine work and relatively easily conform to those odd shapes. I have been using a lot of this, the UTG, I think it is. Yeah, and this stuff here folds on itself really nice. Now it's rather thin, cuts real simple, but it has no elasticity whatsoever because it's a paper film more so than this being more of a vinyl film. So very excited to go about doing this. This might be easier with two people trying to get this registered on there. So I'm going to have Diana come from behind the camera and we're going to see about registering. But instantly you'll notice, wow, look at that. I can see all of my artwork completely through that. So we're going to go down, get a little closer. I'm looking pretty good there.
Kind of at an angle, so you tell me, does that look good from where you're sitting?
Yeah, that looks good. All right, we're going to put it right down on that. All right. I'm just going to press it down. So, I mean, never, ever in my lifetime as an artist for God knows how many decades now, going on 35 years as a professional artist, making a living at this, and watching things and trends change and materials adapting and changing in the industry, this is by far the coolest thing that I've had the chance to work with. I can't tell you how many times throughout the years doing re-registrations, coming back in, countermasking, that, it was an issue trying to get things. It would be a guess. Sometimes you'd get it, you'd put it on, you'd be lucky. Sometimes you put it on, you have to peel the whole thing off, try it again. And you got to cut it all out again. I can't tell you how much time this would have saved me doing all those Grateful Dead guitars. I mean, hours upon hours. It probably would have saved close to 6 hours of guitar with the re-registration I had to do on that. It was just so much work. But anyways, I hope that you guys check it out, FBSonline.com, FBS/online.com. And for my friends who are into building guitars, these things are pretty cool too. This stuff here being see-through It's nice because I can stick this in a plotter, and I can cut 1/4-inch strips. I can cut 1/8-inch strips. So if you want to go around and mask binding, this stuff is perfect for it because you're going to be able to see through it. Presently, I've been using the yellow version, the UTG tape here. This is the Pro Band Fine Line. Anyways, I've got it around here somewhere, but I use this stuff in a 1/4-inch to go over top of binding because I can still kind of see through it. But if there's not enough contrast there, you're not going to see through it, but you will with this stuff. So I can't say enough about what Rob and all those guys over at FBS are doing. It's really a killer product, and it's a game changer. So hope you guys enjoyed that new product, and I'll be doing a little airbrushing on this, probably do a little filming, and I'll have you check it out when it's all done.